Hi Cavalier fam, I wanted to share with you another modern classic cocktail just in time for Cinco de Mayo. No, it is not a margarita, it is the official drink of Mexico, the Paloma. The Paloma is made also with tequila, grapefruit juice, and fresh lime, and we'll top with soda water. We start by adding equal parts of tequila and grapefruit juice into your shaker, or mixer, or a cup, or whatever it is that you would like to use. And we also need to squeeze half a fresh lime before we get to mixing. So we'll put that right in with the other ingredients. So fresh, it smells so nice right now. And then we'll top with some ice. We'll just give it a little mix, nothing too intense. I personally like to rim or salt the rim of my Paloma glass like I would with a margarita. So I'll take my glass and with a fresh lime, I will then dip it into a plate of salt. I like to do just half of mine. And then we will add our mixture and then top with soda water. Just a little bit of sparkle. We garnish this with a fresh lime. And there you go. Salud! Alternatively, if you don't want to use or don't have grapefruit juice and soda water, you can get away by using grapefruit soda. A really quick and easy, refreshing drink for this Cinco de Mayo. Once again, our ingredients: